Now let us see how to write a program, LMC program for absolute value. For absolute value, the concept is like if we are subtracting two numbers, the result should be always positive. That means A minus B should never give me negative value, even if B is negative. That means if the B is larger than A, there is a chance that I will get the negative value. But I need to check before that shall I subtract A from B or B from A to get always the positive value. So for that, this is the logic. So you can see that we are taking the first input as A and then the second input as B. Now after this, we are checking if the B is larger than A. If the B is larger than A, then whatever is in the accumulator, it should be given out as output. But if it is not larger than A, that means A is larger than B. Then we should perform A minus B. So then we should load A and then subtract B and then give that as an output. So this is all about our program. Now we have written a program here itself. Maybe you want to try it in the LMC because now you have a good experience of LMC programming. You can do it. So first we are taking the input of A and then we store it as the first value, which is getting stored here. Then we have a second that is getting stored here and both of them are taken. Then we check, we subtract from second, that is B minus A, the first value, and then we check if the answer is positive. If it is positive, the result should be given out, which is here. So we write this code and then we give out the result and stop the program. But then here there is a line. So then we add few more lines, what is to be done here. So if the control comes to this line, means the else part is getting executed. And that means we need to load A, that is first one, sub second, that is the B, and then we give out the result and then we halt. So this is how absolute value can be programmed. These are some of the labels, or what we also call it, 3 labels we have defined to indicate all these things. And these are some of the comments which are the supporting logic. You may choose to write the comments, but for sure, this is what you must try. Thank you.